Alrighty, so today I'm going to be covering um Gemdas, so orders of operation. I'm gonna be helping you guys um put Gemdas into practice by doing a couple of example problems together. This way, in case you need an extra hand, some extra review, this is available to you to use either in class or whenever. So let's get it going. We're gonna start with number one. We got 48 divided by 6 plus 2 times 4 minus 5. Please excuse my ugly handwriting. I am using my mouse for this. Okay, so every single time I'm doing one of these problems, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at my Gemdas chart. I'm always starting with groups. This is the first thing I look at. Groups, I'm looking for parentheses, braces, or brackets. And in this case, I have a parentheses right here. So I'm gonna look at whatever is inside the parentheses and reapply all of this. I don't see any exponents. I don't see any multiplication or division, but I do see some addition. So we're gonna go ahead and add. 6 plus 2 is 8. Cool. So I'm gonna rewrite my next line. 48 divided by, now that there's only one single number in here, I can get rid of my parentheses. 8 times 4 minus 5. And now let's go down my line again. Groups, okay? No more parentheses, no more brackets or braces. Exponents, I don't see any exponents. Multiplication or division, okay, I see division and multiplication. Um, I don't know which one I'm gonna do first. Ah, yeah, I do. I'm gonna go from left to right whenever I'm looking at both of these. It doesn't matter if it's multiplication, division, or division or multiplication. It's always just gonna be left to right. So let's go left to right. So I'm gonna do 48 divided by 8 first. And that is 6. I'm gonna rewrite everything else. And then I have multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication comes first before subtraction. So 6 times 4 is 24 minus 5. There's only one thing to do now, and that is 19. Always remember to box your answer because when I'm looking at your problems, I see all of these numbers and it can be kind of confusing and hard to look for an answer. So just make sure you box your answer every time. And that's how you do that one. Let's do uh let's do number 3. Let's do number 3. So I'm gonna reset my let's see. Can I just do this? Cool. Yeah. All right. Draw. What's this vanishing pen highlighter? Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and keep it going. Listen number 3. That is parentheses 5 plus 3. Um, you can call this the quantity of 5 plus 3 squared. The quantity of 5 plus 3 squared divided by 4 plus 18 divided by 3. Cool. So let's begin. Again, we got groups. That's the Gemdas. Groups. I see parentheses here, so I'm going to take care of whatever is inside. 5 plus 3 is 8. And now there's only one number in here, so I can get rid of the parentheses and drop the exponent. I'm rewriting everything else. Bam, bam, bam. All right, next thing, do I have any more groups? I do not. So I'm going to move on to the next thing, which is exponents. I have exponents, so Bam, right here. And again, this is not 8 times 2. This is not 8 times 2. This is 8 times 8 because there's two eights. And 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, I'm gonna rewrite everything. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I have division here, and addition. Multiplication, addition comes first, and I'm gonna do it from left to right. So 64 divided by 4. That should be 26, if I'm not mistaken. No, 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 16, 16. I can double check. 64 times, I'm sorry, 64 divided by 4 is 16. Yep. 16 plus 18 divided by 3. And notice how when I do this right here, I can also do this from the right away because it doesn't really affect this addition here. Like it stays. I mean, I can do it in two steps. I can do this, rewrite everything, and then do this. Or I can just do 18 divided by 3 at the same time that I do 64 divided by 4. So I'm going to do that actually. Let me get rid of this. And then 18 divided by 3 is 6. And 16 plus 6 is 24. And that's my answer. All right, please make sure you're using Gemdas from the top to the bottom. Every single time you get to a new line, ask yourself, do I have any groups? Any exponents? Multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction? And you do it in that order. Let's do one more and then I'm gonna call it a day. Do one more. Eraser. There you go. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do let's get a complicated one. That way, I feel like if you guys see me do a harder one and you can manage to understand it, then the easier ones will feel way easier. So that's the quantity of 90 divided by 3 minus the quantity of 4 times 5 plus the quantity of 6 squared divided by 3. Okay, let's get started. Groups. Lots of groups here, right? So I'm going to see if I can simplify things within each group before I get to my next line. So 90 divided by 3 is 30 minus 4 times 5, and it's in the group alone, so I can also just do it right here and right here, right now. 4 times 5 is 20 plus the quantity of, all right, this one I'm gonna simplify this first. 6 squared. Again, this is not 6 times 2. It is 6 times 6 because I have two sixes, right? And that is 36 divided by 3. All right, I still have a group. I still have a parentheses. G is the first letter, so I'm gonna simplify this. 30 minus 20 plus, actually, no parentheses. It's gonna be one number. 36 divided by 3 is 12. And notice again, I take care of this part here and I bring it down. But if I were to do 30 minus 20, it wouldn't affect this. So I can do that in that step and save myself some time and energy. But right now I'm gonna do it step by step so that you guys can see it better. And you're not gonna be like, oh, but how did you get this? So again, 12 came from this. All right, 30, we got subtraction, we got addition. So that's this box right here, right? And when it's addition and subtraction all in one line, just go from left to right. Same thing with multiplication and division, right? Left to right. So 30 minus 20 is 10 plus 12 is going to be 22. And that's my answer. I hope you got something from this. And if you have any more questions, always feel free to send me an email. Bye bye.